Ke Bali yang kalong tang ke jemput sini. Nak puar ke iya ke Bali, nak ke Instagram, ke YouTube. Ke internet kata cakap. Yang rewe ke sini ngarai kan. Malah kata ke puar ngarai. Bukan ni jemput sini kan long sa jeng sisa, bukan let sa ke Bali. Tengoklah kriak book tiket juga. Dua saya ada book let. Dia london. Dia finally yang tanya apa isi saya nak mundur ke jeng itu kanan ke jeng tekai ke internet ke YouTube dia kan book pertama. Ladap. Abang kangen ni. Mai. Mai. Ngalah book tiket sa Bali.
Book tiket lagi.
Ha, elok enggak? Henry pilak pun keli balik Bali. Alaban lek jam sekali jaka. Alim tahan penivi balik ke Bali dari jaka bestam. Ayo Bali dah. Kerengkai ngam dah Bali ngada tha. Lentiu dia. Anu itu airport ni Yulen. Dia ni di Carlos. Ni di Carlos. Teng nyalik Bali mam ta in 3 2 1. But new way pan ketemu sedahat. Bahasa ni kai ngurwe ta on join nang ni license ni kisawan sekidu sionya dia. Larung po jong ka Bali pangin kriak pan mino sebar. Nong shot, nong roi, nong put, nong tem. Dah. Nope. Kat benang mi ni effort sebar untuk internet ba ka cakap bat ka. Ba ka effort ba ni brio na keleng tuan ni. Ni baro kini bala bukupan na suan wan Bali ni. Ni bai ada teng jumpi baru teng hap ban book bai ka kalau kencara pido hi dari ka bahasa ni ka bakat ka Gojek bat ka Grab. Yang sekendu nya sepen ia wela jung long no. Dia baru angin apa is kaca kasak ka jong ni bak kania me dia cakap ba. Belum pengat ba belum fresh ba ngamut kan shit jing sha men sing ka shit ba rejen miat am ka beneng kalom ka kham pengat me ka selong ro aduk kata. Dia kan ni ka cakap bang ni pe best lu space so nice dia. Oh. Dua singin Singapore lawan dua singin Singapore Ruben sama. Ni dia Ruben.
Teng kumno film baru. Dia peluk jeng sok kemo. Kadang-kadang represent your sok kemo ni. Kadang-kadang grand kum sok kemo.
Tak.
Mo baru.
Teh kan ni dekat Jakarta ke jong impat. Sitanan. Ni dekat pool. Kan ni cakap jong pas cakap aram ba. Kan ni di kamera masak mangi. Mentang imut bam imut bam gami ayam. Teh ni bam na. Bi iklan ni mungkin mungkin ayu. Semengan dieng bi tu panir teh buat kandok siam buat kering aja. Kasat ah. Oh my god, I love this stuff.
I have to like it.
It's really nice.
Thank you.
It's really nice. Thank you.
Bro, honestly, this is one of the best I've had. I'm not bang bro, food. Bang bro.
Week.
Enggak post tapi bang jeng bang ini mat. Oke. Saklat. Dan mentang ini sa kiwai jakaban bang jeng bang surok. See you in a bit. Kalau kebutuhan dari Shongshit ke Bali,
this is cara balang
tinggal lihat modal Mexico punya bam ti jeng bam best bang jeng bam sampai ni minta kalau kum rumah. Kalau nyamta ya bam no. Tengin lit bam hang nyamta. Model Mexico lah. Kan ya? Bas dekat. Sampai. Hai. Hai, hai. Beli no ke menu. Ke menu. Ah, ni. Hi, hi.
What's your name? Dita. My name is
Nice
Dita.
to meet you. I'm Dawan.
Nice to meet you.
Tengah bat mana lagi ni? Ya sang EP ni suka. Tak boleh dah program. This one. Welcome. Nachos. Bang ini kau. Wow. Oh my god. Khot gay kan? Tersedia kan khot tersedia yang kedua yang betah kuat. Anjing bun flavor. Terus yang plastik terkong. Pok aku senyaman kau ni. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kita nak sekolah step by step sangat sistemnya. First and foremost, lingkong ya ngalah cup senyuk, fresh look, fresh kan. I mean, beach tenat kan.
Yeah, it's so crowded.
Tenat. Oh, ni pek tenat. That what you say?
Needy Tanmi.
Made it out the group chat, boy. Tenat cakap ani amazing. Ruben ida naik.
We're in Kuta. We're in a place called Azul.
Ina
Azul Beach Club.
Oh, dude, nice spot. Say hi. Say hi, bro. So nice.
This place is so beautiful. And this place is like built like the proper Balinese bamboo architectures.
Tentang ni bam, kebam semua. Kebam kelapai. Sorry. Sulaguan badan. Tiga bam. Gini apa Taiwan?
Alright. Charcoal naan.
Glass for the main course.
Mura, hummus, olives, Kalamata olives and green olives.
Ha.
And then that's tzatziki.
Ah.
That's beetroot tzatziki. Feta cheese. Baba ganoush.
Can you get? Kêu là bắt tay dengan tip khao nè, tip nè. Yo, tip bro. Ini charcoal nan.
It's very good.
Oh, I like that. To buy steak, 49 long steak. Pork belly, rich belly, this pork belly. Agak jam. Teman-teman ni lagi surfing. Nyalik yo menyat. Ini. Dan kini ya instructor sini kayaknya.
But anyway, let me just explain, okay?
Ini dia surfing. My voice is gone. Ini dia surfing. Go man. Yeah, bro. Yeah. This kakak, brother. Yeah, let us salsa. Cheers, bro. Cheers. Ruben, how much? One.
No, he's brave also, but you know, he needs to learn to more pop up. Yeah.
Ah.
He's still learning his pop up.
Yeah, I see.
And what about Carlos?
He's good. Yeah.
Ah, yes.
And the first he's scared. He was you. You're not brave enough.
Terima kasih, Indonesia, Nusa Penida.
Hi, how are you? Good morning to everybody. Welcome to Bali.
That's the best one, man.
Bro, you bro.
I dropped it.
This is vodka, bro.
Ah? Why? Tayo mo ni nang niya. Ano ito kan Nusa Penida kadang upload kami very baro, very gap. Hi, brother. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, yeah. Tingnan rumah ka Ferry ke jom. Ready, Carlos? Ready, bro.
I'm sorry to say, but yes, we don't have air conditioner, but we do have toilet, okay?
Oh my God.
No, yay? Guys, yay! The good thing about the toilet is free of charge, okay? You can use it as many times as you like, guys.
Tentang yang niya stay, like as well. Now, boss me, lawatay. But, pwede din sebentar. Si kanta, song niya, Ferry.
Okay,
Membakang jaya, kamu dia, lapay. Inilah apa ya ka? Nusa Penida, jeng tenang ke caka ni pen.
How much subscriber?
Yeah, that's all right.
Main 8K.
Enjoy your trip with me. If you wanna go to Nusa Penida, just call me.
Yeah, just go.
All from India will come.
All 8,000 people will come over here. All 8,000 people from India will be here.
Local food. Nice. We love that.
Fried noodle.
Grill satay.
Looks like a fried noodle.
Kaya kani cakap ba menginta ni. Teknik ke menu ni kan menginta. Fish curry. Bali local.
The weed.
We in the Broken Beach and Angel Blabong.
Okay, we had broken this. Tang la depois ka Broken Beach. Ni kejeng tenat ka Broken Beach kalau dengan ini semua. Teng kaklan pelat kini ka ni habang dan hajrong haru ka thok ni pak. Kaklan ko mo do tawa ka gawan sadu sini. Kani ka jaka ka ba majority of vloggers, maybe YouTubers, influencers, say one. Nomor ba tenan ba buat saya balik. Te kani wa kani abha ka view bai tenan. Di banyak kam support. Ni beliau jeng bon ka. Boleh no?
65.
65. Wow, ni doing this track. Where are you planning to go next after this?
From here to Bali,
And then
then we go to Singapore, From Singapore back to Bali, Kintamani, a little bit everywhere.
Nice, that's great, that's nice. Long third blood, but candy. Candy berapa boy? Welcome back to the vlog after that journey.
You don't need it.
Look at this guy out here. How was it?
It's worth it, bro.
We're going swimming, huh? Nolan? Carlos, you're swimming here? Good.
No, man.
You don't want to swim? Just get in the water. You just lie down, move your hand. Lie down, you move faster. Move your hand faster. Don't swim, you don't swim. Fine. That was great acting, but you are like Bollywood, Hollywood, whoever. This is acting. Tayong wah ni ambok. Ini di Jakabam. Kita jeng itanak nomor view jong ka sunset, view ka pool ka baik tenat pa. And best part, let me show you. What do you get? This is the best part. Kita volcano. Nó có những cái kênh là tu là push up là thách tay học xong thách by this place. Where are we, bro?
We're in the harbor.
And these guys can let snorkeling mata. Yang nga kampik mo minit snorkeling markab. Kalau ni kabut ngating. Yang ngan li songkai, ngan li kai, ngan li cafe, ngan li keleng-keleng. Pet gini sekarang ipong ni, makanya like stay. Begini dia dah ping buat dari sepung lah. Hey, you guys are leaving me ba? See you. Kaya kalau ngekay ka ba susi ba kidos ki yang sini ya. Mereka lai lilat. See you. Man, the guys have left me. I'm all alone now. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Kawai bang pak menang di bawah pipa dengan sini. Saya nusa penida ni Bali. Ke penhabban long kan mudur bakaram ha. Dia pulang sa menengkong bila menaik lingbaki package trip. Tapi kuat menaik mengi seperlapan. Benengkong di menaik buan. Mar delik buan ka Shongtat ke dori. Ia ka jenglut jong asnya kata include baka flight kastie barok kapai subuh keluar silak.
2 hours later.
Video setengah lawan snorkeling nak borak. Okay, let's see. Enjoy. How was it?
Apparently, it's very rare to find dolphins.
You never seen a dolphin.
We actually got to swim with almost 50 to 60 dolphins. And then we saw this huge turtle.
Yeah, bro, street food. Abang ini beri beef je bang. Soup. Bro. Thailand punya cakap bang pick up ini balik nak sekali. Apa yang ni yang tang ni Thai no sebentar hak song. Ready? Dah. Ready. Tem tang nak apa ni ha. Mercure Hotels Nusa Dua Bali tak nak dapat. Ya ha.
Welcome, drink. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. This is nak apa Nusa Dua. Apa ni? Yep. Kami mentai kal bang ini kunjungan tsunami kidang tsunami exit man ka cakap ni. Where best part about the trip? Worst part?
Worst part? There's no worst part.
Yeah, that is the worst part. We all. Man's using a limo to drop himself to the airport. Okay, Ruben, go, bro. Bye bye. Scoot, Ruben. sitting on a limo for the first time. Notice a limo. Oh my god, so nice, bro. Alright, see man. Enjoy the limo ride.
Parasailing adventure. You have to try parasailing.
Okay, we go here first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sampai dah ni Padang Beach tengok ni tiket counter nyarung support. Where's the place, Kisan?
In Uluwatu.
Or
In Lasti Beach.
Kani jaka gile kacak dan long kunti mishaps CM chanok keren tu. Dia mentah kalau yang samnya kacak dan sedikit baru ni buat kacak dan. Dia kani ka beach club kani club tempat beach tam hey beach club dulu. Yang mentas ni ketika last year dengan Bali lapa pelat bang yang ka sekling pot tak babi guling kat dari famous restaurant juga tapi di ekados yang hati jat berperok ya banyak seafood dia kadang ya yo kan ya tang sama jiz ni kalau kot ni ai fish pot long memang saya bang. Bang mai mak nak keluar ke dalam sikit. Soup first. Pada soup. Bang. Ni kong tu kan. Sakral sam. Oh my god, buat ni. Dah siang aku perukam ni. Dah siang lah bang depan. Kau mesti sini siang ni. Ni bang. Oh, alam dia semua dia. Sini ada pelis pada bahasa Indonesia pun di sana susah. Malaysia Indonesia. Parah buat ni dawai pas tengah ni kacau tak bang. Ini dosnya sedikit. Pun cep ni bang. Dan ni jembaran in bang seafood bang. Ini Tengi dan agak ni jembaran seafood restaurant famous tam Bali but agak ni jaka pure air baru fresh untuk pensiat yang bang Shong tempat by the beach banyak bang ni cing tenak dah ni. Bam apa? Let's seafood. Clams first. Lobster. Sea prawns. First time clam. Bang.
All the meat has fallen apart.
Fresh lobster. Let's go.
This is. It's a female, so I'm guessing it's a queen crab.
Oh my god.
Honestly, I'm just gonna eat it like
Mau crab.
From India?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Your face like from
I'm from Indonesia.
Take me home. Have you ever seen the rain?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Come on, push. You're doing so much better.
Finally, so at least a bit. Ke Bali, kalau asu ai ngatang ngajeng samrki, ngajeng keman bat ngakan tu baru arba PCR di ban plan penlam pisah di ban yalek bat kamde ke pemla un kot kabor ke mengiri penlang pisah sisnam bat ngilek te ki detail sang la batai fi ke video kuno Facebook kuno penlek stay yang kimut bit ba ngade nong Bali kador kalau kunong Bali.
Where are you from, brother?
From India.
India.
Yeah, from India. What's it?
Same.
Yeah, you look
We look same, no? Nice.
Welcome to Bali, brother.
Thank you. Akan mau nya skuti ru tak kala approach teh nomor ba. Satay buan skuti kinya rah pedeng ko nya aslong kinya na footpath di blok tanga wan jinglong la ki ulang footpath. Tarai sunscreen bro la lut ka jing ai kesni state la su tak sunscreen la lut si tube light tube ni kalau along palat sya tak sunscreen ni kedor puk ngala kat bala on pen internet ni ko vlog bad hoai nga kerman ma feel enjoy by ni ko vlog. Stay tuned, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wah, kulay